Good morning.
Good morning.
There are four main food groups in Brussels, Belgium. There are fries or frites, or there is waffles, there's chocolate, and there's beer. Today, we are going to be making one of them.
And it's not beer.
No, it is not beer.
We are headed to Belgian Chocolate Makers here in Brussels. They are about a 10-minute walk from our hotel, very close to the Grand Place or the city center, or whatever you want to call it. Actually, I think those are two technically different things. But anyway, it costs 46.50 euros per person. So that was about 93 euros for the two of us to do the 2.5-hour praline making class.
Which, if you didn't know, pralines originated here in Belgium.
Neuhaus, the big chocolate retailer that you see here all over the city of Brussels, was the first one to take pralines and dip them in chocolate and sell them. And they have made a killing on it, I would say.
Internationally.
Yes. They used to have one in Dallas, but I don't think they do anymore.
But it's bound to be a very interesting morning. I know I'm excited because I've never made chocolates before.
And it is not a private class, as you will see. It is a group class. If you want a private class, you can definitely pay more, but we didn't feel the need to do that.
So let's get there. Yes, grab an apron as you go up. Uh-oh. I'm attached. There we go. Okay. Oh, watch these steps. These steps are wonky.
Okay guys, so my name is Mariam and I will be your host today. Before we start, anyone has an idea about the origin of chocolate? And everything starts from this. It's called cocoa bean, okay? And cocoa bean, if you crack this cocoa bean, there is a white substance. It's called cocoa butter, and there are the seeds. So how we make chocolate is basically we remove those seeds, we crack them, we roast them, and then we add the cocoa butter and we add a little bit of sugar, and then you have your chocolate. So the difference between chocolate around the world is the amount of cocoa butter and the amount of sugar put. Today we're going to use the best brand here and used by most chocolatier in Belgium. It's called okay? It's 54.5%. It means that there is a balance between the sweetness and the bitterness. We will start by the most important step, which is called tempering the chocolate. It means what? The chocolate now in front of you in the machine, I already melted 80% of your chocolate, okay? And you have aside 20% of your chocolate, which is solid, okay? So inside the machine, the temperature is 50 degrees now. What we want to do is decrease this temperature until reaching, let's say, around 33 degrees. So why do we have to temper our chocolate, and why it is the most important part of our workshop today? It's because we want our chocolate to be shiny and crystallized, and this process is what actually will make your chocolate shiny at the end. What you're gonna do is hold the big part of chocolate and try to do like this. You have to be careful that everything is flat, okay? And then what we wanna do is remove the bubble airs from the bottom. So what you're gonna do is do like this. Not to bring them both if we need them. Or, as I prefer, can see like there are bubble airs there. So put your body like this and shake, shake, shake. Hold it like this. Do it like this. And 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 3. Yeah. We want to remove everything from the inside because it's only the shape now. Okay? And shake. And now scrap. Okay? And this is what you wanna have. Okay? Not thin, not thick. How can I know that they are good? Put them opposite of the light. You don't see anything coming. It's okay.
It works.
What does that say on your hat? Joseph, what does it say on your hat?
We need for one person 35 grams of malted dark chocolate. I've already done the job for you,
thank
chocolate.
you. Thank
Okay. Nice.
I got the easy job.
Yeah.
Sorry.
What you need to add is 80 grams per person of milk chocolate. And then you need to mix this until everything is melted. So your job is very easy.
Okay.
Chef cream. So we need 25 milliliter of cream per person. We are 8, but we can do for 10. It's easy math today. Nice. And this is for how? 250. Should not be hard though. Very slowly, like. Yeah, like that. Nice. So until everything thickens, and this is ganache, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, nice. You're gonna fill your molds with ganache. Okay, there are few rules. Obviously, you wanna make it like just ganache, or we have some things for you. You can use all of these things. Okay. So if you want to just use ganache, this is the amount that you're gonna put. Always try to leave some space above, okay? If you want to use some ganache with other things, just put a little bit of ganache, and then just one drop, like this. But also, I can use some nuts. What I want to do is I need to crush it first, okay? Because it's too big, and also it will make the everything is gonna be on top, and it will break your chocolate. So at the bottom, some ganache. Okay. What I want to do is now close my molds. How am I gonna do that? Is this time, do not be generous with chocolate because we're not gonna flip, obviously. So we're gonna put just the amount that will make me cover all of my shape. Okay, like this. And as we did before, shake to remove all the bubble airs again. Okay, and like this, shake, and this time you only need to scrap once. like this, and that's it. Okay, and we clean the edges, and this is your chocolate praline.
Twist it. And ice cream tray. Yeah, just a little bit. There you go. Now it's a little bit. There you go.
Yay.
Almost got them all out. That was so much fun.
Yes, I thoroughly enjoyed learning how to make pralines and then the Belgian flat chocolates that start with an M, which I won't pronounce.
Yeah, because neither should get it right anyway.
But you get so much, or you make so much chocolate, you get some to take home with you.
Hey, you can take everything you make, you get to take home with you. And we're about to get hit by a van. Pause. Traffic going through. What were you saying?
They use a 55% cacao mixture.
Oh, yes.
Which, for people like me who like the chocolate sweeter, it's probably not the sweetest chocolate that you will get in Brussels.
No, certainly not. It's not a milk chocolate.
No.
But you do get to fill it with all kinds of different things, whatever you want to put in there, and it is very delicious for those of us who actually like a little bit darker chocolate. Of course.
Anybody want some free chocolate? I'll send it to you.
Yeah, it wouldn't be good by the time this gets posted.
No.
But we are going to continue wandering the city. But until next time, thanks for traveling the world with us.